I just finished this antique Bontems, which is French, singing birdcage. Beautiful, original red bird. I did replace the foliage because the original foliage was rather dark and dirty. And so I used the silk flowers, which is appropriate. And then I also used red roses, which complement the red bird very nicely. The singing bird cage was fully serviced, so everything was taken apart, cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated so it works exactly as it should. The cage flooring is also in nice condition, and everything is bright and colorful. Let's start off on the pause feature. See, the pause feature works as it should. Then we'll move to continuous. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. Yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. A wonderful antique French singing bird cage made by Bontems. I'll turn it off. Take care.